The NCB is now looking for more drug peddlers who have been found linked to Shawik. More drug peddlers likely to be arrested soon. So far, 3 peddlers have been taken into custody. Remember, the drug link, the nexus now is established. And of course, NCB there already arresting 2 peddlers. Now they're looking for more drug peddlers who've been found linked to Shawik. More drug peddlers likely to be arrested. So far, 3 peddlers have been taken into custody. This is the information coming in from the Narcotics Control Bureau, who's currently on the hunt for more drug peddlers who are in touch with Shawik Chakravarti. The NCB raids there, currently carrying out right inside Shawik's residence, where Ria also stays, and Samuel Miranda simultaneously. Of course, big searches underway. Mustafa Sheikh joining us live right outside of Ria's residence. Mustafa, what do you see right outside? NCB sleuths have just arrived. They're currently raiding. Big searches underway. They're trying to see if there's any banned substances. Not just in Ria's house, even in Samuel Miranda's house. Even as we speak, simultaneously, raids carried out. The NCB sleuths coming in unannounced. What's the itinerary for today for the NCB?
Well, they are carrying out searches in each and every house, place, and basically we are showing you the live visuals of the NCB team here right now, exclusively only on India Today. These are the NCB officials whose visuals we are showing you inside the Prime Rose building. They are carrying out searches in Ria Chakrabarti's house, and they have also, this is on the left hand side, Jeep Compass. This is the grey color car which was just searched by the NCB officials. They are standing right here. We can show you that in the compound. These are NCB officials and the raid is going on. We have a word from the NCB officials that the raid is going on smooth. The family is cooperating as of now, and hence the raid is being carried out. The raids are being carried out under the provisions of NDPS Act, and they have procured the available warrant which was required for the searches to be carried out. And now the NCB team, you will see that basically this car was searched, and then each and everything which is related to Chakrabartis will be searched, and there can be some seizures likely after this raid is completed, because the NCB, which has taken this route of aggressively going behind the Chakrabartis, may have some tip-off related to this investigation, and hence they have basically are trying to investigate. Just behind this pillar, you will see the NCB officials who are trying to hide from the cameras here. They are just behind the pillar. We are showing you exclusive visuals from Prime Rose, where Ria Chakrabarti stays in Juhu. The movement here at this point of time is clear. That here you will see that there is the entire investigation.
Arvind Oja there taking us through right outside Ria's house.